Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teresa, aka 50 plus 2013, coming to you with a video tag. This is a tag that's on YouTube as we speak. I will leave the video or the link or the name of the person that I got the tag from, but it's a cleaning tag, you know, like cleaning your house tag. So I don't know if you were supposed to read the questions and then like answer them on a paper or just be spontaneous. I'm really not that good with being put on the spot or with impromptu quizzes or anything like that. I kind of freeze up. So I'm just going to have fun with it, and I'm going to go ahead and just read the 10 questions and try to answer them. I hope that I don't embarrass myself. So I have the questions right in front of me. Number 1, how often do you clean your house? Daily, weekly, monthly, or etc.? I definitely clean my house daily, but I do like to do some sort of spring cleaning, quote unquote, annually or every so many months or per season. I just kind of just do a whole twist on things, and usually that comes with the season because I'm kind of probably switching out stuff, decorating, like around Christmas time. You're putting up the tree and stuff. It causes you to decorate, then it causes you to clean because it causes you to make a mess. So that's how I end up doing it. But daily, I clean daily, and more importantly, I like to go to bed with certain areas clean for sure. Do you have a certain style or method of cleaning? Zone cleaning, a schedule cleaning, etc. When I had children in the house, when I was raising my kids, we had scheduled cleaning, and basically we clean every Thursday because Friday starts the weekend. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you didn't have to do any chores or anything, just enjoy your weekend. So I did have scheduled cleaning of a Thursday, and that was like our Saturday cleaning. And for myself, as a person that lives alone, there's no scheduled cleaning, there's no zone cleaning. Like I said, I like to have the house clean. I like to wake up to a clean house. So I'm going to definitely have the dishes washed. I'm definitely going to have stuff put away. I'm definitely going to have it picked up where when I wake up, I just feel like I have the whole space to mess up again. All right. The next question is, what is your least favorite room or area to clean? I just in general like cleaning, but I really hate when I have to clean like a trash can. You know how like you put the liners in and trash or filth or gunk or gook get in there. And so inside of a trash can. Then the other thing that I probably don't like to clean because I don't clean it on a regular basis is inside of the oven, like that deep cleaning kind. So I try to not let the oven get dirty in the first place to that point because I really don't think I like cleaning an oven. But I don't know. It just seems hard to me. Number 3, what is your least favorite room or area to clean? Well, once again, I don't really have a least favorite, but if we want to talk about something that's difficult for me to do, or I just wish I had better handle on it, mopping. When it comes to like mopping a huge area of floor, I have the hardest time. I'm just so awkward with mopping till you don't even want to know how I mop. You don't want to know. So it's not your traditional way. I mop in the craziest ways, and I just admire anybody who can mop, which is my oldest daughter really can mop. So I just appreciate her for that. Number 4, what is your favorite room or area to clean? My favorite room or area to clean, I just like cleaning in general, but I remember back in the day, I used to love the bathroom. I used to love cleaning the bathroom and for decorating it, and I used to love the bathroom. And I think that back then I loved it more so because it had well-lit lights. So if a room have well-lit lights, those are places I like to be. So it was the bathroom, but I just like cleaning anything right now. But where I live right now, I guess I wouldn't like cleaning the balcony area because the dust and dirt and stuff, and I just not mentally ready to deal with that. So that would be my current least. What is your favorite chore to do, or one you don't mind doing? Chore wise, the thing that I have a problem with is laundry. I love washing clothes, but I hate putting away clothes. I hate putting away clothes. You can see stacks of clothes all over the place in the bedroom and different places to this day, but I think that is because I have too many clothes. So by me trying to be a semi-minimalist, I may enjoy putting away clothes because I won't have a lot to put away. Fingers crossed. Number 7, what is your favorite cleaning brand, supply, or tool? I like cleaning with Clorox, bleach, and I like things that have a good disinfectant in it. I like cleaning with things that smell like it's leave the air clean, but not like in a chemical sense. That's why I don't like Fabulosas. It seems so chemically to me. If you don't like Fabulosas, please don't leave me hanging by myself. I hate that smell. So the tool I like a good rag. So a microfiber rag that can just, just tackle microfiber rags. You can use those for several things. You can have one for your dishes, your this, your that, whatever. I do like a good vacuum cleaner. Number 8, what is a cleaning solution or product you don't recommend? What I don't recommend? Solution, I don't recommend you a lot of strong chemicals into a bucket to clean something. A lot of strong chemicals, usually they need to stand alone, so I don't recommend using a lot of harsh chemicals at one time, even on separate things in the house. And if you do something like that, you just need proper ventilation, but mixing them is like highly dangerous. Can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? This is something that I've experienced throughout the years. You know how if you ever have left your house in disarray, or it is you have somebody down the street saying they're about to show up and stuff. It's not a hack, but for some reason, I know how to get that house looking presentable. And basically, you kind of take all the mess and categorize it. And you start with the hardest thing on down to the easiest. So basically, if you have a sink full of dishes, you either put them all in the dishwasher, the microwave, the cabinet, a bag in the closet, or wash them. Or next thing you do, you put away all the clothing, and if ironing boards are out, you put them up. And then on down to the last thing of wiping off surfaces and vacuuming and neating up the place. But I don't know if you would call that a hack, because like I said, I kind of like to, I'd have to think about that. I know what a hack mean. Let's see. I think it's not even, okay, would this be considered? I don't know. I have to get back to you on that. So number 10, the last one. Have you or would you have a cleaning company come into your home to clean? Why or why not? I feel like I don't need that because I enjoy cleaning, and I know I'm not a clean freak, and my house is not always clean and immaculate or spotless or anything like that. I enjoy cleaning. Sometimes I like for clutter to build up just so I can clean it up. That's really weird, but I like that. Sometimes, not all the time. So every now and then when it gets all out of control, I don't mind, because I like, wow, that's going to be fun putting the house back together. But I would have a cleaning service come in, because for instance, okay, so yeah, I guess this is going to let you know, I didn't even know that I had areas that I don't like to clean. But you know how, like, when it gets to the point where dust is built up in, like, the furnace, the AC, the baseboards, on top of high cabinets, top of refrigerators and stuff, I wouldn't mind having somebody come in and clean that. But, that would be like cleaning the actual four walls of the apartment, not like cleaning my dishes, making up beds, vacuuming, cleaning the toilet, tub, none of that stuff. It would just be for, like, the stuff that just have like the spring cleaning type of stuff. So I hope that is a tag that you all enjoyed me doing for this video. And I tag any of you out there to do it. I will leave the person's name that I got the tag from, and you all can check out her answers. And I'm going to think about some hacks, because I know I must have cleaning hacks. A person that enjoys cleaning should have a hack. All right, so, oh, wait. Would this be a hack? Okay, so even when I had a dishwasher, because currently I live in an old building, I don't have one, but when I had, even with or without a dishwasher, I like to just put dishes in the sink. Like if you had a big old dinner and stuff, or a Sunday dinner, and the dishes are dirty, I like to soak them. I don't like to just try to chisel dried up, stuck on food off of pots and pans and dishes. So I will put the dishes in the sink, and even if I use cold water, because if I'm paying the utility bill, I'm just going to put it in cold water, because by the time I get around to it, the water's going to be cold anyway, and let it loosen up some of the dirt. That's a hack, yes. So I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.